So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Noise Free campaign we have a Redmi Note 9 Pro Max with us. And today's tutorial is for trying to solve like network and connectivity issues. Many Redmi users complain about SIM card not being registered on their device, or maybe like their device only capable of making emergency calls, or maybe having slow internet connection. So let's try and look at the possible fixes for this. So let's begin. The two things I will advise is like resetting your APN, that is access point names, and also resetting the network settings. So let's look at how it is done. Head towards your settings, tap on SIM card and mobile networks. Now, depending on which of your SIMs is active, for me it happens to be my secondary SIM, and that's idea. I tap on my SIM, and here you will see there's an option called as access point names. Now here you will see like it shows two, but one of which is highlighted in blue. Basically this is the APN that's being used. So I can go ahead and let that be selected. I can tap on reset. Now what happens is the access point names, totally whatever was there gets deleted and it gets reset to the actual original settings. Hopefully this will help you. Also, a few other things that you can do while you are in SIM card net settings is like, you can go ahead and select a preferred network type. If it is a SIM that supports only LTE, go ahead and select prefer LTE only. For me, it's an Idea SIM which works on 3G and LTE, but however, this area has like good network connection, so I will keep it selected to LTE. Not just that, like you can go ahead and tap on mobile networks and let it be selected on network automatic selection. So keep the voice over LTE enabled and like head back. Here on data roaming, what you're supposed to do is this may be switched to never, select it to always. What it means is, suppose you are on a roaming circle. So let me explain this. I am basically using my SIM now in the city of Hyderabad. I was actually having this SIM in Bombay. So I bought it from Bombay. I'm using it now in Hyderabad, which means that I'm in a roaming circle, not the circle in which I bought the SIM. So it's good that I turn the data roaming on. Otherwise, I will not be able to get the network. So do this and that should be it. I mean, turn the mobile data on and you are ready to go. So as far as the SIM card and mobile networks is done, you've done everything possible. You can go ahead to the mobile network diagnostics and test the network. It will just let you know whether everything is working as expected or not. So you can quickly do this and you can see that it's like, internet connection is normal. So that's all that you can do from here. Next thing that I will advise you to do is head towards your settings, go to connection and sharing, and then scroll down until you see reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Tap on that and then basically tap on reset settings. So it resets all your network settings. So this may take some time, but it's a good thing to do. So once this has been done, so the network settings have been reset, hopefully your signals should come and everything should be okay. Now there are a few things that you should know. Many people suggest turning the flight mode on. So like the flight mode is here. So once you turn the flight mode, what happens is all your other network connections, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and everything, get disabled. So hold on to this state for say 4 or 5 seconds. So let like this be on the aeroplane mode. Then go ahead and disable the aeroplane mode, and all your connections which have been disabled, they get again enabled. So it gives kind of a fresh life, flushes out everything and then brings them back to life. So it's a great thing to do. Go ahead and do this. Hopefully the aeroplane method may also work. Now, a simple rebooting of the phone is sometimes also great. So you can go ahead and simply reboot the phone. So simply rebooting the phone and you may find that your device starts working perfectly after doing all these settings. So here the phone is rebooting. So the phone has rebooted and everything is okay. Now one of the last things that I will still advise you to do is just go ahead and check whether the SIM has been inserted properly. Sometimes what happens is that your SIM may not be inserted properly or may be damaged or something. Your SIM tray may be damaged or something. So just go ahead and check whether this is properly done, your SIM is properly inserted, and then take it back, maybe blow some air and then put it back to the device. So these are the few little things that you can go ahead and do, and hopefully your things shall start working. I mean, your network connectivity and everything should get sorted by now. So a quick recap, we went to SIM card and mobile network, we reset the APN settings, also made our network selection to automatic, enabled VoLTE and roaming. Then we went to connection and sharing and reset our network settings, aeroplane mode on and off, and then also tested for the SIM to be fit properly. So hopefully all this is making sense. So go ahead, and in case you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and like always, thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.